Hello, good people. How are you doing today, everyone? Let's have a look at Polkadot, which is a distinct type of cryptocurrency. So, what is Polkadot? It is a new decentralized exchange offering platform for project based on Venus Smart Chain. Polkadot is the first unique and engaging community-oriented network for fundraising platform on Venus Smart Chain. Polkadot may be a decentralized application platform. One among Polkadot's most vital product is Polkadot Decentralized Exchange, a decentralized exchange that permits users to swap tokens on Polkadot to tokens on other blockchains without the necessity for any centralized organization. Additionally, by using the smart farming mechanism, liquidity providers can earn high yield rewards. Liquidity providers will be able to earn rewards even while they are sleeping. All rewards will be paid in the Predator coin token. All transactions that move Predator coin attract a small fee worth 0.5% of the total amount. This fee will go into two pools. First is 90% shared for all farmers and 10% burned directly. For example, suppose that Predator coin's current price is $0.10 and there are 10 pools on Polkadot. Second is when a user swaps 1k USDT to Predator coin on any exchange or decentralized exchange, in theory that user should receive about. To explain it clearly, I give you an example. Suppose that the system has an existing USDT pool with a current liquidity pool of 10k USDT and 1k dot. And also suppose a user has 2k USDT and wants to join in farming. The user would need to add 1k USDT and 100 dot to the pool. That means bought with 1k USDT at the price of $10 per dot, not including slippage. At this point, this user's liquidity pool dot to USDT share in this pool is 9.091%. As such, when 1k Predator coin is added to the pool as for rewards, these users would earn 90.91 claimable Predator coin. Now you are seeing the value of Predator coin. It has a circulating supply of 0 Predator coin and a maximum supply of 150 million. So guys, join Polkadot and start to income now. Thank you for sticking with me all the way to the finish of the video.